What's up, y'all? It's Kwani's from Review 20. If you didn't know, now you know. Today I got an unboxing of the Apple AirPod Pros. It's a long story on why I decided to actually get AirPod Pros or AirPods period, because I wasn't interested in the first place, but I had over-the-air Beats. I think the newest ones are Studio 3s or something. Let me go grab Studios. These are the newest ones, but as you can see, it broke. And these are $300 headphones, and it's gonna cost me double to even fix these, so I just decided to just get some AirPods. At first, these AirPod Pros were out of stock, so I ordered the second generation AirPods. And then the day after I ordered these, I checked the website again and they had these in stock, so I actually ordered both. I gave these to my girlfriend, and I'm gonna keep this for myself. If I would have known it was going to be in stock the next day, I would have just been patient and waited. But to the point, I'm gonna unbox these and I'm gonna put them in my ear and give them my review. I'm gonna get started on this. First, I'm gonna compare the boxes for some people who are interested in the size difference in these boxes. As you can see, the AirPod Pros box is a little bit bigger, pause, than the second gen, but those out of here. And by the way, those are great too. Those are great, by the way, too. I just like these because the tips, and I need headphones for the gym, so it was very important that I had something that stays in and was sweat proof. These aren't sweat proof, the second gen. So I'm gonna get close. Hopefully the camera focuses on it. This is for that paper. Kind of the same packaging as before. I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm back at my desk. I left the box how it was in the last clip. I didn't open it or anything. I'm actually gonna have to do this with one hand because I don't have a tripod or anything like that. I need to invest in one. But there it is. This is my setup. By the way, it's an update. Got the little snacks there. It's a little update from when I put this together. People who was around for that. This is my phone here. Alright. I'm gonna connect it on camera too. So I went through that already. Let's open this up. Okay, so the camera cut off for me just now because the battery was dead, so let's try this again. I got the wrapper off of this, and I've been looking up online. All you gotta do is open it. Oh, it popped up. Oh shit, I just closed it on accident. Let's put this right here. So open it again. Fuck. Okay. Got it open. Stay open. It's connected to my phone. I'm playing with the focus, media control. Let's see, let me focus it. Noise control. Okay, slide over. I don't need any of this. Okay, so let's see if it's connected. Yeah, it's connected. 77%, and the case is at 74%. Before I try that out, like charging my ears, let's try the wireless charging. Okay, I have an ankle charger. Yep, it works. Alright, I'm gonna try these in my ear and give you guys a review of how they sound. Okay, so I got the AirPods here. I didn't put them in my ear yet. I've been messing around with the camera angles. Right here, definitely way smaller than the second gen charging case. But I'm gonna put it in my ear right now. It's a tight fit. Feels snug. I know they come with the air tips. I'm gonna play around with that after I do this video. Whoa, as soon as I put it in my ear, pause, it's like shuts everything out. Wait a minute. Wow. I can't hear a damn thing when I got these in my ear. Okay. Let's play that new Roddy Ricch. Everybody playing the box. That song, The Box Go Hard. So let's play that. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. I might be talking loud. Oh. This thing's go hard. Yeah. don't know if you can hear it. Oh, it stopped the audio as soon as I took it out of my ear. I don't know. Wow, these are amazing. The first thought, I give it a 10 out of 10. And I just had them for 2 seconds. This is great. People who go to the gym and work out and need headphones or earphones, I recommend these because these are a tight fit. They come with the tips. You can adjust it to your liking. Wow, I didn't even try the transparency mode, but from right now, I can give you a 10 out of 10 for these AirPod Pros. I definitely recommend it. Go for $250. These AirPods are nice. I like them. Listen to another song. Let's go. Let's play some classic Drake. Okay, listen to the music. Now, I want to play around with Siri for a little bit before I end the video, because the battery's dying. But let's see. Hey Siri, play some Chris Brown. Let me see. She played Chris Brown. Let's see something else. Let's see if I'm working out. Hey Siri, play some Roddy Ricch. She just starts playing Roddy Ricch. Let's see if she can adjust the volume. I'll put it all the way down. Hey Siri, turn the volume all the way up. She said that's very loud. Are you sure? Yes. It's all the way up. Okay, so I gotta figure out the controls on the AirPods themselves to adjust the volume, to skip songs, stuff like that. I'll play around with it. But by the way, follow us on Twitch. We stream mostly every day, so check us out. We'll appreciate it. Just come hang out with us. Until next time, we are View Twins, and you're not.